Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhigya Xplained series. So in this topic, we'll discuss about the important regions in news due to Russia-Ukraine conflicts. So first reason important here is the Black Sea region. This Black Sea region. So what we need to know about the countries that are surrounding the Black Sea area. So countries surrounding Black Sea area, as you can say, Russia, starting from here, Bulgaria, Romania, Russia, here is Ukraine is here, Georgia is here, Turkey is here. So there are 6 countries that surround Black Sea region. So now how will you remember these 6 countries? So you know this term burger. So instead of remembering burger, make it burgert, burgert. So make it burgert and from Black Sea to burger to burgert. That's how you'll remember. And then from burgert, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Romania, Turkey. So this becomes the 6 countries that surround the Black Sea region. Now, another important region is Sea of Azov. So this is the Black Sea and this sea. This is known as Sea of Azov. So the countries that surround that shares border with Sea of Azov are only 2 countries, and that is Ukraine and Russia. So remember 2 countries, Ukraine and Russia. However, there is an important strait that is known as Strait of Kerch. It connects Black Sea and Sea of Azov. So you see this narrow passing, this narrow passing. This is Strait of Kerch, and this is Azov Sea, this Black Sea. Therefore, Strait of Kerch connects Black Sea and Sea of Azov. So this is what it is. So remember Strait of Kerch. Now we'll discuss 2 more important straits, that is Bosphorus Strait and Dardanelles Strait, because Turkey was also in news and Black Sea was in news. Therefore, we need to know about this. So you see this sea. This is all known as Sea of Marmara. Sea of Marmara, and this here is known as Aegean Sea. Aegean, Aegean Sea. So Aegean, spelling mistake is there. Aegean Sea. Aegean, Aegean Sea. So this is Sea of Marmara. This is Aegean Sea. This is Black Sea. And here a narrow passing. This narrow passing. So this Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. The Black Sea and Sea of Marmara is connected by Bosphorus Strait. So this is Bosphorus Strait and it connects Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. And now another narrow strait is here. So this connects Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea, and this strait is known as Dardanelles Strait. So Dardanelles Strait connects Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. So remember 3, that is Strait of Kerch, Bosphorus Strait, Dardanelles Strait. This connects Black Sea and Sea of Azov. Then Bosphorus Strait, you connect Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. And then Dardanelles Sea connects Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. So that's how you have to remember these 3. These were in news. Now, Caspian Sea, will also see the countries surrounding Caspian Sea because it is next to Black Sea, therefore, and sharing border with Russia. Therefore, this also becomes an important region to know. So there are 5 countries surrounding Caspian Sea. That is Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran, Kazakhstan. You see Turkmenistan, you see Kazakhstan, you see Russia here. This is Azerbaijan and this is Iran. So these are the countries that share border with the Caspian Sea. So how you will remember Caspian Sea? The mnemonic is Tariq. In Hindi, you say Tariq. This is known as Tariq. Remember Tariq. This is Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Iran, and then here this Kazakhstan. Don't forget, this is Kazakhstan, not Kyrgyzstan. And this is Turkmenistan and not Tajikistan. So that's how you will remember this country. So we have discussed Black Sea, Sea of Azov, Caspian Sea, Bosphorus Strait, Dardanelles Strait, Strait of Kerch. So these are the things that we have discussed, and the question can come from these topics. So now we'll discuss 5 questions. So the question number 1. Which strait connects Black Sea and Sea of Azov? Your options are Bosphorus Strait, Dardanelles Strait, Strait of Kerch, or none of the above. The correct option is Strait of Kerch. Question number 2. Which strait connects Black Sea and Sea of Marmara? Your options are Dardanelles Strait, Bosphorus Strait, Strait of Kerch, none of the above. The correct option is Bosphorus Strait. Question number 3. Which of the following country does not share border with Sea of Azov? Russia, Turkey, Ukraine, none of the above. The correct option is Turkey. Only two countries, Russia and Ukraine, share border with Sea of Azov. Question number 4. Which of the countries does not share border with Black Sea? The option are Brazil, Russia, Ukraine, Georgia. The correct option is Brazil. For Black Sea, we have remember Burgert, B-U-R-G-R-T. So this B is Bulgaria. This B here, it should be Bulgaria. Bulgaria, Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Romania, and Turkey. And last question related to previous earlier session, explained session is International Court of Justice. ICJ is located at which place? Your options are London, Dubai, Paris, none of the above. And now correct option is none of the. It's Hague. Hague in Netherlands. And the building in which it is located is known as Peace Palace. It's known as Peace Palace. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhigya, your best pal in CLAT Preps.